Is your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC running slow, taking up too much storage, or lagging for no reason? In this video, I'll show you how to clear all cache and junk files from your Windows PC, no software needed, and it's 100% safe. Let's get started. First, we're going to clear temporary files which take up a lot of unnecessary space. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type temp and click OK. Now press Ctrl plus A to select everything and hit delete. If Windows asks to skip some files, just click skip. That's totally normal. Now press Windows plus R again, type %temp% and repeat the same steps. One more time, press Windows plus R, type prefetch, click OK, and delete all the files. Also, don't forget to empty the recycle bin. Next, we'll use Windows built-in storage cleanup tool. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to System, then click Storage. Select Temporary Files. Check all the boxes except Downloads if you want to keep your files. Now click Remove Files. This will safely remove cache files, thumbnails, and system junk. Once that's done, close the storage window and move on to Step 3. This next step is powerful and works great on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Click on the search bar, type Disk Cleanup, and open it. Select the C drive, then click OK. Check all the boxes, then click Clean Up System Files. Choose the C drive again, check all the options, and click OK. In the last click, Delete Files. This clears old Windows Update cache and system files. If you use the Microsoft Store, this step really helps. Press Windows plus R, type WS Reset, and then click on OK. A blank window will open and close automatically. That means the cache has been cleared. This step can free up several gigabytes of space. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Find Windows Update, right-click it, and choose Stop. Or you can double-click on it, select Disable, click Apply, then click Stop, and finally click OK. This will disable Windows Update temporarily. Once Windows Update is stopped, open File Explorer, go to this PC, and click on Drive C, where Windows is installed. Then open the Windows folder, go to Software Distribution, and finally open the Download folder. Now select all the files and folders here and delete them. This folder contains old Windows Update files that are already installed on your system, so you don't need them anymore. Deleting these files will free up extra disk space. Go back to Services, right-click Windows Update, and click Start. Finally, restart your computer. This applies all the changes and helps your system run smoother. And that's it. You've successfully cleared LL cache and junk files from Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy Windows tips, and let me know in the comments how much space you freed up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.